right, so let's see. Lots of words here. Let's see if we can figure anything out. So they say S is perpendicular to R and T. So they've drawn it. S is perpendicular to R and S is perpendicular to T. And both R and T lie in plane alpha, just like they drew. Which of the following is true? Let's see. So for A, they say line S is perpendicular to any line in plane alpha that passes through the intersection of R and T. So here's the intersection of R and T. If I were to draw another line in plane alpha, would that line be perpendicular to S? Kind of seems like it would be, right? Like, I don't know, if I were to draw another one, my whole plane alpha is perpendicular to S. So it kind of feels like any line that I draw will be perpendicular to S. I'm kind of liking this one. But let's go on and see if there's anything better, or see if we can just reinforce it. So lines R and T are perpendicular to each other. They never said R and T are perpendicular to each other. They only said that S is perpendicular to them. So they kind of drew it like they are, but they don't have to be, right? You could have T be here and R be there. And since the entire plane alpha looks like it's perpendicular to this plane S, R and T do not have to be perpendicular to each other. R and T are just any lines on this plane alpha that intersect somewhere, and S is perpendicular to each of those individually, but not necessarily to each other. We keep going. Lines S and T define a plane that forms an acute dihedral angle with plane alpha. So to be honest, that word I have not seen in a long time, so I looked at a quick Google search. Dihedral angle is simply an angle formed by two plane faces. So just angles formed by planes are called dihedral angles. But you might eliminate this even without this, because there's nothing to do with acute here. They form a right angle, right? S and T form right angles, not acute angles. So this one is definitely out. And then R, S, and T are coplanar. No, that's absolutely ridiculous. Coplanar just means lie in the same plane. Lie in the same plane. And we can see that R and T are definitely coplanar. They lie in plane alpha, but S does not lie in plane alpha. So no. So yeah, so our hunch that A was true is true, and it's a theorem as well. If you knew the theorem that if a line is perpendicular to lines in the plane, it's perpendicular to any line that it intersects in that plane. Yeah. So there we go. Excellent. Not too bad. Don't be scared. Don't even be scared by words you may not know. Yeah, a lot of times they're scarier than they seem. This one was okay.